This report speaks to the problem of indigent defense in the federal system. Indigent defense means, we know this from the Miranda warnings, that if you can't afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you. Well, in the federal system, a lot of the defendants cannot afford a lawyer. This is the system that provides a lawyer for them, a public defender or a private lawyer who's paid for by the federal government. And what this report shows is that system isn't working. It is a broken system that is not providing effective defense, not at the cost that it ought to, and that there is too much interference by the federal judges in the defense function. Prosecutors don't face that kind of intervention. The defense function does, and what we're seeing right now is a system that is inadequate and needs to be fixed. We live in a system of a rule of law, and then if we truly believe in it, then we really want to make sure that people who are being charged by the government have a fair shot at defending themselves. And what's happening is, if you're not fully funding the defense function, too many defendants are being sentenced over the amount that they ought to be to effectively prevent crime, and as a result, we are wasting taxpayer dollars. We are seeing a federal judiciary, in the findings of the report, that it's trying to balance its budget on the backs of defendants. That's not fair. In other research, we've seen federal judges that are not providing sufficient resources to defendants. Those defendants are being sentenced to death at a much higher rate than others. And finally, we are seeing new research that comes out that shows that a number of federal judges are unfortunately taking race into account when sentencing defendants. All of this together provides us a picture of a federal judiciary that I think should worry us and requires a great deal of attention right now.